Hey y'all, it's your girl officially Chrissy. Now I know I'm looking crazy right now, but today we'll be doing a drum roll. Today we'll be doing a Love Me review. Let's get the deets. Their Premax wig. This is 180 density, bone straight glueless 5x5 closure HD lace wig, pre-cut, pluck, and bleach. Okay, now your girl don't really know how to do, you know, wigs too much, but I do plan on learning. Like, since taking my locks out, I really want to do different things. Like, I would definitely want to tap into like my inner stylist, like my inner hairstylist, and really like get to work. So I do plan on trying out like their full lace wigs, but I was like, let me do one of their glueless wigs, and it should be all ready. I'm really excited to try their glueless wig. I really love the packaging of Love Me. They're always really good about like their packaging, which I really appreciate. So without further ado, let's open this bad boy up. I'm so excited for this. Everything should just be good to go. And y'all, I got some real big dookie plaits in my head, so don't do too much, okay? Like, your girl been busy. Your girl been real busy. So then this is the packaging right here. So it says, love me for you, born for you, existing for you, unbox the love and shine bright. Helena, founder of Love Me hair. Oh, that's so cute. It says love me for you. Oh, and a little sticker. I just love their packaging. Like, you can tell they really care about their customers. Okay, let's see what goodies we have. I took the wig out, but look, you got a bag to put the wig in. Okay. We got, what is this? Mind you, I've been out the game now. I've been having locks. This is some Velcro, I guess. I don't know what this for. And, ooh, a beauty blender. Can never have too many of those. HD wig cap. And then a thank you note. And some care instructions. I'm so excited to take this off. So I'm going to show y'all how it looks straight out the box. And it says that it's already pre-cut, it's pre-plucked, it's pre-bleached, all that good stuff. And it had a clip in there. Okay. Ooh, she's giving soft. She is really giving soft. And then it has like the jagged lace. The lace looks really good. Let me see. Do a little skin test. Okay. Okay. She's giving very much transparent lace. I'm trying to get it to focus. Very much giving transparent lace. It has the combs to secure it at the top. Also has a comb in the back, and then it has the strap placement right here. So I'm just gonna put the bad boy on straight out the pack. Oh, and then it also has these to adjust it on your head as well. So I'm just gonna put this thing on. Woo! Hold on. Let me fix her real quick. Put her on the right way. And I don't even have any flat braids on, so let me see. I'll definitely have to blend that lace in a little bit more. I just love me a straight wig. Let me fix her a little bit more. And I don't think it's gonna be too flat on my head, because like I said, I got two big dookie braids right now, but I do plan on doing some flat braids in a couple days. I just been so busy, yo, so busy. So yeah, my braids are like really causing it to look bulky at the top. Well, let me see if I can adjust them. I'll be right back. I'm going to take down some of my hair, make it lay a little bit flatter. All right, so I flattened it. I took this braid out just to smooth it out a little bit more. I should probably took out the other braid too, but I think we're good now. Let's try to put the wig on again. Oops. This wig is so soft. I love it. Alright, let's go. Part 2. Take 2. I feel like that's much better. Like, I don't know if y'all peeped the difference, but I peeped the difference. But yeah, she's looking already good off just taking it straight off the box, not doing anything to it. Like a lot of other videos, like they're like zhuzhing up the wig before putting it on, but I just feel like this wig, like just out the box type time, it's already given. Like I'm trying to fix it up a little bit more so y'all not thinking this girl is crazy. Of course I am gonna have to customize it to my liking, but I love how it looks, like straight out the box, like not doing anything to it. Like this is what I be talking about, like when I want, like I just want my wig to just be ready to go. Like if I had an emergency and I ordered me a wig and that thing says it's ready to wear, it's glueless, it's pre-plucked, pre-cut, all that good stuff, I just want it to just plop on and look just like this. And it's giving, like, ooh. But of course I am gonna zhuzh it up a bit. I'm gonna add some concealer, gonna cut a little bit up top just to make it just lay a little bit better. Probably add some wax to the top. But oh my god, this is a really nice wig, and I think I got 24 inches and I'm short, so it's right above my booty. But yeah, I love this so much. Thank you, Luvme. Alright, so I zhuzhed it up a little bit. I put some wax stick on there and I straightened it, and I still haven't cut it or did anything else to it. But yeah, I really feeling this wig a lot. Like, Luvme, and the quality is just everything. Yeah, y'all, I just wanted to do a quick little unboxing video and just show y'all what it gives straight out the box. Wasn't really going too detailed, but if y'all want me to do some more detailed wig reviews, I will definitely do that. Let me know how y'all feel about this review down below. I do thank y'all if y'all stuck through, watched the whole video. I know this was a short one, but if you've already been subscribed, you already know that we locked in for real. I don't even know if I can be saying that anymore. I don't even have any locks, but we're still locked in forever, so it's okay. And if you're new and you decided to subscribe, welcome to the family. But yeah, I really appreciate y'all so much for watching this video. I'll catch y'all on the next one.